Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be going through 60 SAP Material Management Tcodes. I will be going through those Tcodes one by one so that you can see and listen to those. OX15 Create Company. OX02 Create Company Code. OX10 Create Plant. OX09 Create Storage Location. OX08 Create Purchasing Organization. OME4 Create Purchasing Group. OX18 Assign Plan to Company Code. OX01 Assign Purchasing Organization to Company Code. OX17 Assign Purchasing Organization to Plant. MM01 Create Material. MM02 Change Material. MM03 Display Material. MB51 Material Document List. MMDE Delete all material. MMNR Define material master number ranges. XK01 Create vendor. XK02 Change vendor. XK03 Display vendor. ML33 Create vendor conditions. ME11 Maintain purchasing info record. ME01 Maintain source list. ME51N Create purchase requisition. ME52N Change purchase requisition. ME53N Display purchase requisition. ME41 Create RFQ or quotation. ME42 Change RFQ or quotation. ME43 Display RFQ or quotation. ME31L Create scheduling agreement. ME32L Change scheduling agreement. ME33L Display scheduling agreement. MEQ1 Create quota arrangement. MEQ2 Change quota arrangement. MEQ3 Display quota arrangement. ME21N Create purchase order. ME22N Change purchase order. ME23N Display purchase order. ME29N Release purchase order. ME59N Automatic generation of purchase order. MIGO Post goods movement. MB1A Goods withdrawal. MB1B Transfer posting. MB1C Post other goods receipt. MB01 Post goods receipt for purchase order. OMJJ Customizing define new movement types. MIRO Enter incoming invoice. MIRA First invoice entry. MR8M Cancel invoice document. MRBR Release blocked invoice. OMR6 Tolerance limit invoice verification. MIR5 Display list of invoice documents. MIR6 Invoice overview. MB21 Create reservation. MBST Cancel material document. MB5T Stock in transit. MMN1 Create non-stock material. MBST Cancel material document. MB5T Stock in transit. MMDE Stock overview. MB52 List of warehouse stocks on hand. MMK1 Create configurable material. So that's all these T codes that I want to show in this tutorial. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Please also have a look into the other tutorials. I have given the links in the video description. Thank you again.